Still struggling with spills, dust, and heavy messes using a regular vacuum? You need something way more powerful. Welcome back. Today we're counting down the top 5 best wet and dry vacuums, built to handle liquid spills, dirt, debris, garages, cars, and even construction mess. Number 1, looking for a powerful yet super quiet shop vacuum for your garage, workshop, or home. Let's check out the DEWALT 12-gallon STEALTHSONIC wet/dry vac. Built by DEWALT, this vacuum is designed to handle tough jobs while keeping noise levels surprisingly low. Right out of the box, the standout feature is the STEALTHSONIC technology, which keeps noise levels under 65 dB, meaning you can actually have a conversation while it's running. But don't let the quiet fool you. This vacuum packs a 5.5 peak horsepower motor, delivering strong suction for cleaning dust, debris, and even liquids with ease. With its 12-gallon capacity, it's perfect for bigger jobs like garage cleaning, construction work, or even water cleanup during emergencies. It also features a built-in drain, making it easy to empty liquids without hassle. Mobility is another plus. Large rear wheels and swivel casters make it easy to move around, while the 20-foot power cord gives you plenty of reach. You also get multiple attachments and onboard storage, so everything stays organized while you work. So, is the DEWALT STEALTHSONIC 12-gallon vacuum the best quiet shop vac you can buy? Stay tuned as we break down the pros, cons, and whether it's worth your money. Number 2, looking for a reliable and powerful wet/dry vacuum for your home, garage, or workshop. Let's take a closer look at the ShopVac 10-gallon wet/dry vacuum cleaner. Built by ShopVac, this vacuum is designed to handle both everyday messes and tough cleanup jobs with ease. Right out of the box, you get a 10-gallon tank capacity, which is perfect for medium to large cleaning tasks from garage dust and wood chips to liquid spills. It strikes a great balance between size and portability. Performance is solid thanks to its powerful motor, delivering strong suction for picking up dirt, debris, and even water without any issues. Whether you're cleaning your car, workshop, or basement, it gets the job done efficiently. One of the best features is its wet and dry functionality, allowing you to switch between cleaning dust and liquid messes without hassle. Plus, the included hose and multiple attachments make it versatile for different cleaning situations. Mobility is also convenient, with rolling caster wheels and a sturdy handle for easy movement around your workspace. So, is the ShopVac 10-gallon wet/dry vacuum cleaner the best all-around cleaning solution for your home or garage? Stay tuned as we break down the pros, cons, and whether it's worth your money. Number 3, looking for a compact yet powerful wet/dry vacuum for your garage, workshop, or home projects. Let's check out the Vacmaster Professional VDK 811PW 8-gallon wet/dry vac. Built for serious cleaning tasks, this vacuum packs a 4.5 peak horsepower motor, delivering strong suction to handle dust, debris, and even liquid spills with ease. What really sets it apart is the self-cleaning filter system. This feature helps prevent clogging and maintains strong airflow, so you get consistent performance even during heavy-duty cleaning. With its 8-gallon tank, it's perfect for medium to large jobs whether you're cleaning a workshop, garage, or even your car. Plus, the vacuum includes 11 accessories, giving you the flexibility to tackle different tasks like tight corners, floors, and upholstery. Mobility is easy thanks to its rear wheels and front casters, and the vacuum can even convert into a blower for outdoor debris. You also get around 17 feet of cleaning reach, so you can move freely without constantly switching outlets. So, is the Vacmaster VDK 811PW the best compact shop vac for power and convenience? Stay tuned as we break down the pros, cons, and whether it's worth your money. Number 4, looking for a budget-friendly wet and dry vacuum that can handle everyday messes at home or in your garage. Let's check out the Amazon Basics 6-gallon wet/dry vacuum cleaner. Right out of the box, this vacuum offers a 6-gallon stainless steel tank, making it ideal for small to medium cleaning jobs, whether it's dust, debris, or liquid spills. Powering the unit is a 3.5 peak horsepower motor, delivering strong suction that can handle garage cleanup, car detailing, and even job site messes with ease. One of the best things about this vacuum is its wet and dry functionality, allowing you to switch between cleaning dust and liquids without changing machines. It also comes with useful accessories like extension wands, filters, and multiple nozzles for different surfaces. The design is compact and portable, with caster wheels and a sturdy handle, making it easy to move around your workspace. So, is the Amazon Basics 6-gallon wet/dry vacuum the best budget shop vac for home use? Stay tuned as we break down the pros, cons, and whether it's worth your money. Number 5. Looking for a compact, cordless shop vacuum that delivers serious performance on the go? Let's check out the Flex 1.6-gallon brushless wet/dry shop vacuum. Right away, the biggest advantage here is cordless freedom. Powered by Flex's 24V battery system, this vacuum is perfect for job sites, car cleaning, or quick cleanups where dragging a cord just isn't practical. Despite its small size, performance is impressive. The brushless motor delivers strong suction with around 41 CFM airflow and 42 inches of water lift, making it capable of handling dust, debris, and even liquid spills. One standout feature is the reverse flow system, which helps keep the filter clean and maintain consistent suction, something many compact vacuums struggle with. You also get Eco and Boost modes, allowing you to balance between longer battery life and maximum power depending on your task. The 1.6-gallon tank makes it ideal for small to medium jobs, while its lightweight design and included attachments make it easy to carry and use anywhere.